example 2. So here it wants us to find the limit. The limit of 4x squared plus 3 as x approaches 2. Okay. On the next test, your first test, you could have a question just like this. Okay. And if it's listed with the direction like this, you can use any method you want to find the limit. So far we've done a graphical approach, and we've done direct substitution. We've analyzed limits coming from the left, comparing it with limits coming from the right. Okay. Other times, the directions will specify which method that you want to use. So make sure you read the directions carefully and follow that so you get full credit on the test. Okay, so for this problem here, they want us to see, we're going to try direct substitution. Okay, so the limit of 4x squared plus 3 as x approaches 2. Okay, so when we're using direct substitution, we just think of this like a function. So I'm going to try f of 2 equals 4 times 2 squared plus 3. If you can actually evaluate this where you don't get something that's undefined, then direct substitution will work. The only time direct substitution will not work is if you get something where it's undefined. Then you have to try a different method. So here, let's see, we get 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3, we get 19. So this does work. So this limit here of this function as x approaches 2 is equal to 19. So direct sub works here.